Aldar is deploying a further $1.4 billion to develop assets in Abu Dhabi. And Arab national bank's profit surges 32.6%. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Aldar Properties says it's deploying a further $1.4 billion to develop several retail, commercial, and hospitality assets in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi's biggest developer will deliver the assets between 2025 and 2027. The investment will see Aldar develop new commercial assets at Yas Island, Saadiyat Island, and Al Maria Island. Arab National Bank's 2023 net profit surged by 32.6% year-on-year to $1.1 billion. It was boosted by a sharp rise in total income, which shot up 71.7% year-on-year to $1.2 billion. The Riyadh-based bank's client deposits increased by 7.1% year-on-year to reach $44.2 billion. BP rebounded into vast profit in 2023 after slumping into a loss in 2022 on its exit from Russia. Profit after tax rocketed to $15.2 billion last year from a net loss of $2.5 billion in 2022. It suffered a $24 billion charge on its exit from Rosneft. Swiss banking giant UBS has posted a smaller than expected Q4 loss of $279 million amid restructuring costs after adopting its rival Credit Suisse. UBS says it made $4 billion in cost savings last year across the combined banks. It expects savings to swell to $13 billion by 2026. Spotify's monthly active users grew by 23% in Q4 to 602 million internationally. It's ventured into podcasts and audiobooks as it seeks to grow its user base to 1 billion by 2030. It's also raised prices and laid off thousands of employees to boost profits and increase efficiency. Germany's factory orders unexpectedly surged in December, boosting hopes that its manufacturing slowdown is ending. Official data shows new orders jumped 8.9% month-on-month, driven by a few big-ticket items. Over the whole of 2023, orders were 5.9% lower than the year before. Shares in China soared today as Beijing ramped up efforts to bolster the battered markets. Traders were worried about ongoing economic weakness, particularly the property sector, as well as government crackdowns on various industries. The Hang Seng ended up 4% and the Shanghai Composite climbed 3.2%. And global investors continued to slash their exposure to China equities in January amid its stock market decline. Morgan Stanley data shows China and Hong Kong equities suffered a combined $2.6 billion net outflow from active long-only managers last month. That eased from $3.8 billion in net outflows in December. In today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, our biggest winner is Prajogo Pangestu. He's up $3.9 billion, now with net wealth of $41.4 billion. Our second biggest winner is Jensen Huang, up $2.8 billion, now with net wealth of $61.4 billion. And our third place winner is Zhong Shanshan. He's up $2.5 billion with net wealth of $62.8 billion. Taiwanese chipmaker TSMC says it will build a second Japanese plant to begin operation by the end of 2027. It brings total investments in its Japan venture to more than $20 billion with the support of the Tokyo government. TSMC's first Japanese factory opens this month. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.